In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage hosting packages in your HostGator WHM panel. Understanding how to effectively use the WHM or Web Host Manager is essential for managing multiple hosting accounts, especially when you're dealing with different clients or websites. It allows you to keep everything organized and tailor the resources according to specific needs. Today, we're focusing specifically on creating a custom hosting package, a crucial step in streamlining the setup process for new hosting accounts. First, you'll need to log into your HostGator WHM panel. Ensure that you have the correct login details handy, the username and password, or if you're using a password manager, log in through that. Once you're in, you'll see a range of options on the left-hand side menu, but to create a new package, you want to focus on Packages. Click on it, and then select Add a Package from the drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens. Now let's talk about the details you'll enter. Start by choosing a name for your package. It can be as simple as Basic Package or Premium Plan, but make sure it's something distinguishable, especially if you plan to offer different tiers of hosting. After naming your package, we move on to the customization settings. Here, you can specify the disk space limit, which controls how much data can be stored. Adjust it based on the typical needs of your client or site. After that, decide on the bandwidth allocation, which determines the data transfer rate allowed for websites under this package. Next up are email accounts and databases. You can set limits on how many of these can be created under the package. Email account limits help manage server load and security, especially if hosting for multiple users. Similarly, database limits can be crucial if you're hosting dynamic websites that rely heavily on databases. Think about the kind of website this package will be used for when deciding on these limits. After you've customized the settings meticulously to match the needs of your prospective users or clients, the final step is to set these resource limits. Take a moment to review all your changes, ensuring everything is accurate and tailored as needed. When you're satisfied, simply click Add to save the package. It's always a good practice to double-check immediately after saving to confirm that everything is correctly implemented. Once your package is saved, you can assign it while creating new accounts. This makes the process seamless, providing a predefined set of resources and limits, making account management more straightforward. This way, every time you create a new hosting account, you can select from your predefined packages, ensuring consistency and reliability. By mastering this process, you're not only efficient, but also providing quality, tailored hosting solutions to your clients. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials geared towards optimizing your hosting management skills.